Hey, what's up? It's Exum talking to you here. Have you ever thought about comparing the AirPods Max against the cheapest AirPods available? Well, maybe not, but today I decided to. So today I'm going to compare my AirPods Max that I have here against my cheapest AirPods you can find, the AirPods second generation. Yes, this is going to be a strange comparison, but it's going to be the most expensive AirPods available against the cheapest AirPods available. So if you are excited for that, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, because I will go in depth in this video about everything you can expect by spending $500 more than you would be on these AirPods, because these cost $99 and these AirPods cost $549 to $599, so they are very, very expensive. So if you want to compare the differences between these two AirPods, it's actually very difficult, because these ones right now do not feature wireless charging, neither these ones, but these ones are very small, very compact, the original design, and these ones are very big, very heavy. So there's a lot of things that I need to compare, and a lot of features that these ones have and these ones don't have, that is very interesting to compare. And the prices between these two headphones difference is just ridiculous. So yes, this is, in my opinion, a very interesting comparison to make. I mean, let's start with it and let's not waste more time, shall we? Let's first talk about the design. The AirPods Max feature the design of an over-ear phone. So yes, the AirPods Max are over here, so they cover your whole ear. They are very good for noise isolation, for noise cancellation, active noise cancellation, passive noise cancellation. They are amazing. This design is more comfortable, it's easier to use during long trips, to use on your airplane, a lot of stuff. This is a lot of advantages, but one disadvantage that it has in relation to the AirPods 2 second generation design is the weight and size. These AirPods are very, very big. They are very, very bulky. While the AirPods second generation, they are very small, very easy to carry around and very easy to use. Just put them in your ear. They are in-ear pods, and so they are very used. They do not passively cover your noise, so they let through everything, single noise around you, but that could be a good thing. So it's like wearing transparency mode on these headphones all the time. So the differences between these two designs are actually very big, but they serve two different purposes, and so that's okay. For example, these AirPods are more for traveling, more for going on a walk and enjoying music in general, and these ones are more for like distracting you while you are working out, while you are running, walking, doing your cardio, while you are speaking to someone and you want to also listen to some music. These are more multi-use AirPods, and while these ones are more like occasional AirPods. I like to use them when I'm walking, doing my cardio, but not that much when you start to sweat. So very light cardio, and even just walking, sitting around on my couch when you are like enjoying some music. While these AirPods, I do not use them at home. I just use them when I'm on my street, walking around, when I go grocery shopping, when I go for the gym. Just put them on. It's very easy to wear your surroundings, very easy to listen to the music. It's just easy, simple, and very, very lightweight. So these two designs serve two different purposes that are different. You just have to accept it. There are very different price points too. But if I want to say that this design is much more heavy, and this case is stupid. So the case that these AirPods bring, it's this stupid case that you can see here. It's just magnetic, this flap here, but it's silicone. It's not that good. It's not that good. It does not protect the AirPods very well. It just protects the cups, the aluminum cups. These headphones are made of two aluminum cups, while the AirPods second generation are all plastic. This is found in very different colors, like you can find in green, pink, space gray, silver, while the second generation AirPods only have in white, the classical white AirPod color. And of course, these headphones feature this band, which is actually like very comfortable. It fits in your head very well. It doesn't create any pressure on top of your head. So it's actually very good. You don't have any problems with pressure on these headphones, while the AirPods are just incredibly comfortable. These are the most comfortable AirPods ever, in my opinion. Even more comfortable than these ones, because these ones create a little bit of pressure on your ears if you wear them for a long time and they are too heavy. Like if you are wearing for 3, 4, 5 hours, you will feel the weight on your head. Well, these AirPods, like you put them in, 5 hours pass, like you forget that you have them on. Sometimes I'm walking, I'm talking to people, or even put the sound down or the volume down, and I forgot that I'm wearing AirPods. It's just ridiculous how light these ones are. And these are one of my favorite AirPods designs in terms of comfort. Do they fall off on my hair? Well, I don't think so. I've used it while jumping, doing squats, all of those hard work exercises, even when doing CrossFit, and they did not fall off. So these AirPods do not fall off my ears anytime soon. While the AirPods Max are heavy. If you fling your head around, you might feel like they move and they might fall off, but they don't normally. So these AirPods are not for jumping or doing very, very hard exercises. So what are the differences in terms of design? In my opinion, they serve two different purposes. So it's not that they have two different designs. Although, what is better in my opinion? Like, what is the all-terrain design? Like the design that serves all purposes? Well, I think that the AirPods second generation design is better. Just because these types of pods, like in-ear AirPods, are very incredible for you for going walking, to work out, but when you need to go and listen to some music, they do the job. And if you want to listen to some music, you just put the volume a little bit louder and they work very fine. They do not have any noise cancellation, but for that, you have the AirPods Pro, which is a very different talk. And if you ask me which is the better option in all of the AirPods lineup, I will tell you that it's the AirPods Pro. Forget about that, that's a comparison for another video. And if you want a comparison between all of the AirPods lineup and which one is the best, let me know in the comments down below. I have all the AirPods available and I can answer all of your questions. But let's get back to the AirPods Max and the AirPods second generation, shall we? Let's talk about now features and quirks. Of course, the AirPods Max have noise cancellation and transparency mode, while the second generation AirPods, they don't. So this is a very big thing. If you do want noise cancellation, between these two, the only option is the AirPods Max. But if you are looking only for a good music device to hear music and don't really care about noise cancellation, or you don't really like it because it creates a very strange pressure on your ears, like if you are going up on a mountain or an airplane, then the AirPods second generation might be for you. Because if you want to wear these AirPods without any type of cancellation of noise, you have to go to transparency mode. And then that's not as natural as these ones. So if you don't really care about noise cancellation, buy these ones. You will save a lot of money. But if you are not sure about noise cancellation or you don't know what it is, I think I found a way to show you what it is.
So what I'm doing here is pretty simple. I'm just putting my microphone inside of my AirPods Max so you can experience what I'm experiencing right now.
New launch carrier liners need to go in the overhead compartments. Here are smaller ones underneath the seat in front of you, keeping all exits and aisles clear. If you need assistance, please contact the flight attendant.
Of course, these ones also feature transparency mode, and transparency mode, like you saw in that demo, is very cool. It works more like these AirPods, so you can listen to sound with all of your surroundings and without losing the conscience of your surroundings while still listening to music. These are very cool, but these also have passive noise cancellation, so if you turn off ANC and transparency mode, you will like passively cancel some noise around you. So these ones, in terms of comfort, noise cancellation, and like hearing music on a very loud place and a very loud surrounding, are the best option. Although they are more expensive, I do think these are the best noise cancellation headphones out there. While the AirPods second generation don't have any of those features, you will be left with, like, if you have to hear your surroundings and you can't hear your music, you have to pull it louder. If you get it loud enough, then you're screwed. So yes, in terms of these two things, although these are way more expensive, like the noise cancellation, try to make it up for the price. But still think that these are too expensive and these ones are too old. But let's get on into the next comparison, shall we? Next, we have sound quality. Sound quality between these two devices, it's very different, let me tell you. These AirPods Max are one of the best sounding headphones out there. They are almost perfect. The sound is almost amazing. Like, it's hard to describe you how amazing it is. The mids, the highs, the lows, they are very perfect. Like, you can hear them all, you can distinguish every single type of frequency on these headphones And it's like, for an audiophile, it's an amazing experience. The music doesn't match into each other. Like, it's amazing. The instruments are very defined, the voices are very defined. It's almost like you are hearing a live concert. While the second generation AirPods, they're not as perfect, not even close. Their sound quality, right now, in comparison to those, is trash. It's not as good. It's definitely not as good. Even if you are not an audiophile, you won't like this sound quality as much as the other ones. You will notice the difference. These ones match the mids, the highs. They have a little bit of bass, but they are not perfect. They are very small pods, and so you cannot do much about it. Like, they are just AirPods. You cannot do much about it. But their own advantage is the fact that they are in-ear AirPods. And so if you don't like the pressure on your ears by the cups, then these are the only solution, and the sound quality is fine. Like, it's not perfect, and by any means, it's amazing. So if you do really like the sound quality, and if you really need a good sound quality pair of headphones, then the AirPods Max are definitely for you. But one thing that I have to tell is that neither of these two headphones features lossless support. So you cannot hear lossless music on these two just because they are Bluetooth only. They don't have any option to connect it by iPhone jack, and so you cannot use lossless support. I'm expecting that the next AirPod generation using Wi-Fi or even AirPlay 2 will support lossless. Let's see if that happens. But neither the second generation of AirPods, neither the AirPods Max support lossless. So if that's a deal breaker for you, you have to look out for other headphones. So let's get into the final verdict. Which one should you buy in 2022? Well, it's a very strange answer. If you have the money for both, then I would advise you to try the AirPods Max. If it's not troubling spending $500, $400 on Amazon for the AirPods Max, then give it a try. They are newer. They have, in my opinion, a design that is different. The noise cancellation is just incredible. The sound quality is amazing. The digital crown is very useful. The noise cancellation and transparency mode are very, very good. And the only downside about the AirPods Max is the price and the case. And other than that, they are just perfect. But if they are too expensive for you, then look for this AirPods second generation. They are, in my opinion, an amazing deal. They are incredible. They still do sound good for me. They are very comfortable. They have always on transparency mode, joking. And of course, they only cost $99. And they have a much better case than these ones. They are way more compact, way more light, easy to carry around. You just put them on your pocket and they're done. They don't have any noise cancellation. They don't have any transparency modes, but they are just good for what they are, a good pair of wireless earbuds. They are the original AirPods and they work very great with your iPhone. So you have to decide, which one would you buy? The AirPods Max for $549 or the AirPods second generation for $99. $450 of difference. So let me know in the comments down below, which AirPods would you buy? The most expensive AirPods or the cheapest AirPods? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, tell me your opinion on the case of the AirPods Max. Is it that controversial? Because I do think it's pretty bad, but a lot of people say it's actually very beautiful. I don't know. It's a very controversial topic. Let me know in the comments down below your opinion. And of course, have you noticed that this is the first generation pair of AirPods, not the second? I have the second, but this is just the first. You probably did not. So they are the same design, and right now they have almost the same features just because the second generation came with a wireless case, and this one now for $99 it doesn't. So these are the difference for the AirPods. Let me know in the comments down below which is your opinion between these two. And of course, while you're there, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support, all of that. I am amazed that I can get all of these products to review just for you guys. This has been Tech Smart with you here. Bye.